How to change your gender in Knives Out. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. If you want to change the gender of your Knives Out character in just a few simple steps, here's how you do it. First of all, open the Knives Out game on your device, and from the lobby screen, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top left corner. Once you're inside this page, go to the top right section and tap on the pencil icon. Now click on Personal Information. In the Personal Information tab, go to the Gender option and tap the pencil button right next to it and choose your gender by selecting it from the pop-up menu. Once you are done making the selection, click on Confirm, and after you change your gender, you can change your gender again after 24 hours, so make a wise selection and click Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your gender in the Knives Out game. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.